In this video, I'm going to eliminate all this white space up here and the title and the description and the search box, and in doing so we'll be able to get all of this space we are going to eliminate up here down here where it really counts into the content area. So let's go ahead and look at the code we're going to be using here. Oh, and this time around we're going to be editing the header.php file, which is going to do a couple of things for us. Number one, we're going to add an additional file, that being the header.php file, into our child theme, and it's going to also demonstrate how the files within the child theme will take precedent over the same named files within the parent theme. Because I'm not going to delete the header.php file in the parent theme, I'm just going to edit the one that we're going to have in the child theme. So let's go ahead and get to this. I'm going to open up my FTP client, and I'm just going to go ahead and borrow the one from the parent theme that's in our server already. So we're going to navigate to the parent theme by opening up the WP-content folder. I'm in the root directory of my blog site, and go to the themes folder and then go to the parent theme right here. And now we want to go to the header.php right here, and this is my folder right here on my desktop for the child theme. So let's go ahead and just select the header.php and download it. And again, this is the original header.php that's in our parent theme right now. Let's open up our text editor, and in my case I'm using Notepad++. And now that I want to open up that header.php file, and this is our folder here, and I'm just going to open it up right there. And there's a couple of elements in here that we want to comment out, which basically makes that part of the page or the PHP file invisible to the browsers. And if we come on down here to line 73 through line 76, and if you're using Notepad++, then you can follow along exactly the same lines that I am here. And to comment this out, there's a couple ways we can do this, but the way I'm going to use it is the closing commenting out tag first, and then the opening commenting out tag. You can see how it changed colors there. This is now invisible to the browsers. Of course, you can do the same thing by deleting it, but by deleting certain files, you are taking the chance of breaking the WordPress site, which is a bad thing altogether. So we're just going to leave the code there, just make it invisible, and you do that again by commenting it out. Now there's two more elements we need to do the same thing with, and that's the search box right here, line 104 and line 109. I'm going to do the same thing by commenting them out using the closing commenting out tag first. And let's save this and upload that to our child theme. We're not going to upload it and overwrite the parent themes file, because that would be a no-no. We want to do all of our customization in our child theme. That's why we made it. So now that we're in our child theme here, and we're just going to add that file that we just edited, the header.php file, into our child theme. And we can get this guy out of the way. Go on back to our browser and refresh. And there we go. And that's how you can eliminate that white space, search box, and description and title of your header image.